Hey, what's up, fam? My name is Brehon, and I would like to welcome you guys back to the channel where we love to focus on our financial and personal development. Now, family, I hope you guys are having a phenomenal start to your day, and I hope your week has been awesome. Now, before I get started with the video, I would like to give you a word out of a book in my library, Unstoppable Confidence: How to Use the Power of NLP to Be More Dynamic and More Successful. All right, now here we go. When you are unstoppably confident, there is a powerful difference between you and the normal population. The difference is control. You have more control over your environment, over your emotional state, over your beliefs, and ultimately over your actions. That is the simple difference between people who are empowered and people who are not. People who are not empowered have excuses. When you believe in yourself and when you believe in your abilities, you have confidence. And confidence is everything. All right? Confidence is everything. Believe in yourself. Believe in your abilities. Step out. Step out. Step out on faith. Okay. All right. Now, family, yesterday was a wild and crazy day in the spa. When we opened up, man, we gapped down really huge, and we had a tremendous comeback in the spa. So, let me see. 2 days ago, we closed at 356. Yesterday, we opened at 349, and we closed at 365. So that is a huge change in price. And if you had some call options, those who had call options from the beginning and saved or kept those call options until the end of the day, made a tremendous amount of money. I jumped into a call option late in the game. I caught a little bit of the profit, but I also had a put in there, and my put and my call option kind of balanced themselves out. So I sold off on my call option a little too early, and mainly because I was away from my computer. Now, I'm not sitting at my computer all day, every day, where I'm able to watch every minute, every second of the day. Like 95% of the people out here, I do have, I'm gainfully employed, and, I do have to step away from my computer. But I broke even, and now is another day where I get to jump back into the fight, but I'm going to wait and see how things play out. Now, this candle was so huge. Ultimately, we know after huge days like this, there are going to be it's going to be some sell-off potentially. Now, we could have another possibly green day, but what's going to be a challenge is when we get back to that 20 SMA. Now, if you know me, you know I love talking about that 20 SMA. So stocks never move too far away, or they never fall too far below that 20 SMA. The 20 SMA acts as a rubber band, so it always snaps back to that 20 SMA. And so we can fall down below that 20 SMA, we're going to snap back. We're going to fall below, we're going to snap back. We're going to, go up above that 20 SMA, and we're going to snap back, fall below, snap back, fall below, snap back. And so yesterday was a huge day in the market. And now what's going to be important is the 369 mark. If we could bounce above this 20 SMA, that's a good sign that we could have a little bit further movement to the upside. But the 20 SMA could be met with some resistance. And so if we do have some resistance here around the 20 SMA, we may continue our downward trajectory. Again, we all know that this market is trending down. And so we're going to have a lot of days where we're up, but ultimately we're going to have lower lows. Okay, so we are having lower highs, and we also are having lower lows. And that's what I expect. I expect us to sit on the sideline, we're going to be patient and we're going to wait to see if it hits 369 before we make a move. If it get above 370, there may be an opportunity where we can jump in, place a call option, and continue riding the momentum up. Or if we hit 370, we could be met with resistance. We could jump in, place a put option, and we can ride the wave back down. Okay, so that's how we're going to play it. We're going to keep it simple. We're going to keep it sweet. And again, you know, people place all different types of options. You know, now if it's an option that I'm going to be in today, you know, a lot of times if you place a call option or put option which expires this week, it's going to be a lot more volatile. It gives you an opportunity to make more money, but it also gives you the possibility where you can lose all of your money. So there is a good juggling there. You're going to have to be paying close attention when you're into those options that expires within, you know, 7 to 10 days or 14 days. Those are very, very volatile. Oftentimes I may go 14 days out, but I generally like to do, you know, 30 days out with my options. Okay. Now that's all the information I have for you guys today. Now, if this information added any value to you, hey, please hit that like button, subscribe button, and keep coming back. And look, also, if you love to travel, we love to buy stocks. This is a awesome tea right here, stocks and stamps. We love to buy stocks and we love to get those passport stamped. The link is in the description. These teas are sold on Amazon and they can be at your doorstep in a few days. All right, now family, see you on the next one. Peace.